Okay, fine. So here it says that the curve y is equal to f of x is continuous in closed interval a to b. मतलब ये आपका एक फंक्शन है. Okay, this is your one function. What is the name of this function? Y is equal to f of x is the name of this function. It is continuous in closed interval a to b. मतलब यह a से लेके b तक ये closed interval में continuous है और इस closed interval में continuous है और f of x जो है that is what? That is greater than or equal to 0 in the closed interval a to b. मतलब ये जो पार्ट होगा ये x एक्सिस के ऊपर होगा. ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 का मतलब ये होता है. तो ये जो एरिया जो है ना यहां से लेके यहां तक जो है दिस एरिया वी कैलकुलेट हाउ वी कैलकुलेट a इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेट a टू b f of x dx. ये a मतलब ये लाइन हो गई एक. व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन? x is equal to a. What is the equation of this line? X is equal to b. What is the equation of this curve? Y is equal to f of x. तो ये सब जो एरिया है that is denoted by like this. Okay, this says x is equal to a. This says from x is equal to a to x is equal to b f of x dx. Okay, so that's what it is. Now next second part, it says the area bounded by the curve y is equal to g of x. So here the curve is what? G of x. Okay, here the curve is g of x. थोड़ा अलग है. f of x ऐसा था, g of x ऐसा नहीं है. g of x कुछ ऐसा है. ठीक है. तो y axis and the line y is equal to c and y is equal to d is given by. मतलब इसका लोअर लिमिट क्या है? ये है इसका लोअर लिमिट. ओके, दिस इज द लोअर लिमिट. This one is the lower limit. Okay, and what is the upper limit? This one is your upper limit. This is the upper limit. Okay, so this is a line. This is again a line. This point is P and coordinate is C. Okay, here this point is Q and coordinate is D. So what is the equation of this line? The equation of this line is y is equal to C. What is the equation of this line? The equation of this line is y is equal to d. So I have to integrate to find the area of this part. To find the area of this part, what I need to do? I need to first take a small portion. Where and how I will going to take small portion? I will take small portion like this. From here to here I will take, and then from here to here I will take. This small portion I will going to take. What will be this small distance? This small distance will be dy because it is in y axis. So what will be the area? Area will be integration y is equal to c lower limit to upper limit y is equal to d, and this is dy na. This is dy. So if this is y, what will be this? Say if this is y, so what will be this? This will be x. Okay, and this will be y. So here from here to here this distance will be x. Okay, and this distance will be y. So what will be the area of this? Length into breadth. What is length? Length is x, and what is breadth? Breadth is dy. So this is what is the formula to get this area from y is equal to c, that is lower limit, to the upper limit, that is y is equal to d. Understood? Okay, so here it says find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square. Okay, the y axis and your x axis. Okay, so area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square. So this is what is the curve. Okay, this is what is the curve. Which is this curve? This curve is y is equal to x square. Then the y-axis. What is the y-axis? This is your y-axis. Okay, and y-axis, then comma the x-axis. This is your x-axis, and what? And x is equal to 3. What is your x is equal to 3? This line is your x is equal to 3. This is your x is equal to 3. So you have to find what? You have to find this area bounded by this curve, y-axis, x-axis, and y is equal to 3. So what you are going to do? You will going to take a small strip. What is that small strip will be this from here to here. This will be your small strip, and this small strip or elementary strip I am taking on x axis, तो मैं इसको क्या बोलूंगा, इसको बोलूंगा dx। ठीक है, तो अगर मेरा ये dx है तो ये जो डिस्टेंस होगी ये क्या होगी, ये होगी y। क्यों? क्योंकि ये मैंने x माना है, तो इस x के रिलेटेड ये होगा मेरा y, थोड़ा सा dx लिया है तो ये होगा dx। व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल? इफ dx इज वेरी वेरी स्मॉल, the area of this rectangle will be dx into y. So that's what I have written here, dx into y or y dx. And then integration from where to where? From x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 3. This is x is equal to 3. यहां से लेके यहां तक लेना है, तो ये ले लिया मैंने x is equal to 0 और ये ले लिया मैंने x is equal to 3। ठीक है, अगर आप यहां x लिख रहे हो तो ऊपर यहां भी x लिखना है, यहां लिखा नहीं है टेक्स्ट बुक में, प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक थी। नेक्स्ट स्टेप में दे आर रिप्लेसिंग दिस y with a function. What is this y? This y is nothing but y is equal to x square. This is this function. So this you are going to write y is equal to x square here. You will take the integration of x square, apply upper limit and lower limit, and then you will get the answer as 9, and the units will be square units. Okay, why? Because this is a area. Got it? So that's what is the area between the two curve. Okay, we need to find the area between the two curve. So if you have one curve like this, okay, this is one curve. What is the name of this curve? See, the name of this curve is y is equal to f of x. You have another curve like this. Say you have another curve like this. Okay, so what is the equation of this curve? The equation of this curve is y is equal to g of x. And you have to find the area between these intersection of these two curves. Means you have to find the area between these two curves. So what is the first job? Your first job is to first find this point, the intersection of these two points. This point you have to find, and this point you have to find. How you are going to find these 2 points? By solving these two functions simultaneously. With that, you will going to get the value of x. 2x, the value of x, what you will going to get is 2. One will be your lower limit and another will be your upper limit. And then what you will do, based on this limit, that is x is equal to a and say x is equal to b, first you will going to find this area. This area you will going to find. What will be your this area? To find this area, what you need? You need elementary strip. Where is your elementary strip? This is your elementary strip. Okay, this is your small elementary strip. Okay, can I write this as dx? Yes, you have to write this dx. Why? Because this is on x-axis. Your elementary strip is on x-axis. So what will be this particular area? I mean what will be your this area? This area will be integration from a to b. Since this is dx, I am going to write y dx. But here, what is y? Y is your f of x. So this y you will going to replace with f of x dx. So let me write separately. So this is nothing but integration a to b f of x dx. This will be your this much area. But you need to find what? You need to find only this area. So for that, what you need to do? For that, you need to even find this area, which is that this one, this area. And then once you subtract this bigger area minus smaller area, then you will get area between these two curves. So for that, again, you will going to use elementary strip dx. What will be that area? That area will be, again, limit will be same from a to b. Now here my y is what? Here my y is g of x. So you will going to use g of x and elementary strip is dx. Na? So this is your dx. Then you subtract this particular definite integral minus this particular definite integral. You will going to subtract separately. You will not going to join together. Separately you will going to do it. And then whatever answer you will get, you will going to take mod of it. Why you will going to take mod of this? because area can never be negative. That's the reason you will going to take mod of this. Got it? Okay, so the solved example first. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 9x and x square is equal to 9y. What is the first point? First point is plot this particular curve. That is your first point. So I will going to have y square is equal to 9x. Based on this, I will going to find x coordinate and y coordinate so that I can plot this. So when the value of x is 0, the value of y is 0. When the value of x is 1, the value of y will be 3 plus or minus 3. ठीक है, बस दैट्स फाइन. तो मुझे पॉइंट्स मिल गए. कौन कौन से पॉइंट मिले? एक मिला 0 0, दूसरा मिला 1 3 और तीसरा मिला 1 और -3. ओके फाइन. दूसरा कर्व क्या है? दूसरा कर्व है मेरे पास ओके x स्क्वायर is equal to 9y. Again x square is equal to 9y. I will going to have x coordinate and y coordinate. When x is 0, y will be 0, and when y is 1, x will be plus or minus 3. Okay, so I got another point. What is that? 0 0, and this is x now. So x is 3 3 1, and next is -3 and 1. Now based on these points, I will going to plot the curve. So this is what I have plotted now. Okay, I will going to plot this. Just a minute. So this is your x dash, this is y dash. Let me plot first y square is equal to 9x. So it says what? 0 0. So one point is this. Okay, what is the second point? 1 3. So this is 1, and say this is 3. Similarly, x is 1 and y is 3. Okay, and here x is 1 and y is -3. So the curve will be something like that. Like this curve will be. Okay, like something like that. This will be the curve. And what is the name of this curve? The name of this curve is y square is equal to 9x. This I have plotted. Now I will going to plot x square is equal to 9y. What is the first point? 0 0. So this is what is the first point. Second point is what? 3 1. So when x is 1, no, when x is 3, y is 1. So this will be your first point. Next point is -3 1. So here it is -3, here it is 1. So this is my second point. How the curve will be? The curve will be something like that. Like this the curve will be. Okay, like this the curve will be. So find the area of the region bounded by the curve this and this. तो ये दोनों कर्व के बीच में एरिया कौन सा बाउंड कर रहा है? दिस इज व्हाट इज द एरिया बाउंडेड. करेक्ट. सो व्हाट इज माय नेक्स्ट पॉइंट? पहला पॉइंट था मुझे कि मुझे यहां पर प्लॉट करना है. प्लॉट कर लिया. सेकंड पॉइंट क्या है? फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स. सो दिस इज 0 एंड दिस इज 0. आई हैव टू फाइंड दिस कोऑर्डिनेट आल्सो. Okay, I have to find this coordinate. So this coordinate I will get once I'll solve these two equations simultaneously. How can I solve these two equations simultaneously? देखो यहाँ पर solve करते हैं नीचे. So first equation is y square is equal to 9x. Can you see here that your y is nothing but 9 square upon x, or else do one thing. This I can write as y is equal to plus or minus 3 root x. This is what I can write now from here. From here I can write this. Now this particular value of y you can substitute here to get the value of x. So what I will write? Now next point will be x square is equal to 9 plus or minus, okay, 9 plus or minus root x. Okay, plus or minus 3 root x, sorry, plus or minus 3 root x. This 3 will come. Okay, 3 root x. So next is what? Next you will get here x square is equal to plus or minus 9 3 is 27. 27 root x. I need to find the value of x. So what I will do? I will go into squaring on both the sides. So when I do squaring on both the sides, what I will get? I will get x to the power of 4 is equal to 27 the whole square, and here I will get only x. Okay. Fine. So what I'll do now, next will be, you can see here, this x and this x will get cancelled, and then you will get x cube. Okay, x cube is equal to 27 the whole square. This 27 I can write as what? 27 is 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. So it is 3 cube. 3 cube the whole square. This I can write as 3 square into 3. This I can write as 3 3 square into 2 into 3. This I can write as 3 square into 3. Sorry, 3 square whole to the power of 3. Now you can see this 3 and this 3 is common. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 9. Okay. I will not going to write minus 9 here. I will going to write only 9 here. Why? Because in plot I can see that it is meeting 0 and here. So what is this? This is your 9. So this is how you got the value of x as 0 to 9. Now you will say, sir, you can even find the value of y. Yes, you can find the value of y also. How? If this is 9, what will be this? This will be again, this y will be again 9 only, na? 9 comma 9. Why? Substitute the value of x as 9 over here. So when the value of x is 9 over here, what will be y? Y will be plus or minus 9. Similarly here, when you substitute the value of y as 9 over here, say you substitute the value of y as 9 over here. So what is the value of x? The value of x will be plus or minus 9. Hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now, next point is find the area. How to find the area? So please pay attention here. I will going to first find the elementary strip. Where? I will going to find elementary strip over here. From here to here, I found the elementary strip. What is the function of this? The function of this is your y square. Okay, y square. This is y square is equal to 9x. Okay, this is what y square is equal to 9x is written here. Okay, elementary strip is this. So when I'm saying elementary strip is this, what is this? This is dx. So what is the area of this? The area of this is limit from 0 to 9, and this is dx. So I have to write here y dx, but this function is y square is equal to 9x. So what to do? I have to write y. What will be y? Y will be 3 root x. So here it is y dx, and you can write this y as 3 root x dx. This is how you will going to get this particular area. Now I want this particular area, so for that I need to find this particular area as well. So for that, only 1 minute. This is my a1. Just a minute. This is my a1. So what is my a1? This entire this is my a1. Okay, this is my a1. मैं इसको a लिखता हूं ऐसे, ये समझ में आ गया होगा आपको. ये पूरा एरिया जो है ये a है. a1 नहीं लिखता हूं, a लिखता हूं. चलो ये a लिखता हूं इसको a. दिस इज माय एरिया a. ओके, एलिमेंट्री स्ट्रिप का ये मेरा a है. अब मुझे कौन सा एरिया निकालना है? अब मुझे ये वाला एरिया निकालना है, विच इज b. कौन सा है b? b ये है, येलो वाला. येलो नहीं, रेड वाला. मतलब कौन सा? ये वाला. तो इसमें भी मुझे एलिमेंट्री स्ट्रिप लेनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है, तो मैं एलिमेंट्री स्ट्रिप लेता हूं. तो ये मैंने एलिमेंट्री स्ट्रिप यहां पर ले ली, कहीं भी ले सकता हूं, मैंने यहां ले ली. ये यहां से लेके यहां तक. दिस इज माय एलिमेंट्री स्ट्रिप. दिस एलिमेंट्री स्ट्रिप इज अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस, मतलब ये डिस्टेंस जो है ये मेरा dx हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट विल बी माय b? b विल बी इंटीग्रेशन अगेन फ्रॉम 0 to 9, and it will be y dx. Now here, what is the equation of this? Equation of this curve is what? Equation of this curve is x square is equal to 9y. ठीक है, this equation of this curve is x square is equal to 9y. Am I right? हाँ, equation of this curve is x square is equal to 9y. I am perfectly right. So ये जो equation जो है ये कौन सा है फंक्शन? x square. Okay, x square, just a minute. Fine. So x square is equal to 9y is my function. Which function? This one, b वाला. कौन सा है वो? ये वाला, ये यहां से लेके यहां तक, ये जो है ना, ये ये वाला जो फंक्शन है, ये फंक्शन है एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9y. तो इसकी एलिमेंट्री स्ट्रिप मैंने ले ली dx, और ये मेरा y है. तो यहां से y की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी? यहां से y की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी? यहां से y की वैल्यू मिलेगी एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 9. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई विल गोइंग टू सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर. इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 9, y is x square upon 9 dx. ठीक है, this is my b. So I need to find the area between these two. So my shaded area means required area. Required area will be what? Capital A minus capital B. What is my capital A? 0 to 9, 3 root x dx minus integration 0 to 9 x square upon 9 dx. Okay, अभी ज्यादातर बच्चे एक गलती करते हैं यहां पर, वो आपको नहीं करना है. क्या है वो गलती? गलती ये है, वो इन दोनों को मिक्स कर देते हैं. ओके, मिक्स कर देते हैं मतलब क्या? इन दोनों को माइनस कर देते हैं और फिर बाद में आंसर निकालते हैं. ये आपको नहीं करना है. दिस लिमिट यू विल गोइंग टू सॉल्व सेपरेटली, दिस लिमिट यू विल गोइंग टू सॉल्व सेपरेटली, एंड देन यू विल गोइंग टू सब्सट्रैक्ट. बाद में करना है सब्सट्रैक्ट, पहले नहीं करना है. ओके, तो मैंने ये 3 कॉमन ले लिया, मतलब कांस्टेंट है, बाहर निकाल दिया, कॉमन नहीं लिया. 3 इज कांस्टेंट, आई हैव टेकन आउट. देन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x, क्या होगा? दैट विल बी x टू द पावर ऑफ 1/2 प्लस 1, दैट इज 3/2. हियर अगेन इट विल बी 3/2. लिमिट विल कम फ्रॉम वेयर टू वेयर? लिमिट विल कम फ्रॉम 0 to 9 माइनस सेम थिंग हियर 1/9 I have taken out, ठीक है, because it is constant. And integration of x square is what? It is x cube upon 3, and limit will be what? Limit will be from 0 to 9. Fine. अब आगे इसको solve करना है, right? So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, and here I will get 2, and here x to the power of 3/2, right? So this I can write 9 to the power of 3/2 minus 0, so I am not writing it, minus 1/9. So here it will be 9 and cube, 9 cube upon 3. Okay, and this is minus 0, so I am not writing that. Okay, so next step will be what? It is 2 and this is 9 na? So this 9 you can write how? This particular 9 you can write as 3 square into 3/2. This 2 cancel, I will get 3 square. So what is 3 square? 3 square is 27. So that's what I will going to write here. I will going to write 27 minus this I will going to solve. So here you can see 19 and this 19 will get cancelled, and then 29 will, let me cancel all this. 29 will remain. Now here it is 9 is there, right? So 9, no, not 9, 3 is there. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So I will get 9 and 3. So 9 3 ja 27. So here I will get 27. Okay, so you can take 27 as common. Okay, and then in bracket you will get 2 minus 1, which is 1. So your answer is what? 27 square units is the answer. Why I am writing square units? Because this is the area. So so I have got the answer. Answer is what? The area of this shaded portion, which this entire, this portion. Okay, this portion, the area of this particular portion will be what? Will be capital A minus capital B, and that comes to how much? That comes to 27 square units. You will going to write square units. You will not going to write centimeter or something. Why? Because it's not mentioned there. Hope it is understood.